Math Gad.
Oh Math Gad guys, welcome to today's video about how to rotate a polygon 90 degrees over the origin. Okay guys, so in today's video we're gonna do precisely that. We're gonna learn how to rotate any polygon 90 degrees. So in today's video, we're gonna be tackling a problem about quadrilateral FGHJ that has coordinates given and shown here. And we're gonna find the coordinates of the rotated quadrilateral when we rotate it 90 degrees around the origin. Now, in order to know that, we have to keep in mind there's a rule reminder here. So whenever we have a point P that has coordinates x, y, and we're going to rotate it 90 degrees around the origin, the rotated point, the final coordinates of the point are going to be minus y comma x. So in this case, for f2 6, g3 2, h7 5, and j5 2, the rotation, right, of 90 degrees of point F, right, is going to give us a new position for F, which again is going to be the value of negative y. So y was 6, so now it's going to be on minus 6, comma, and then the value of x is going to be our new position for y. So it's going to be on minus 6, 2. And we're going to do exactly the same thing with every single one of the other points in the polygon, right? All the vertices in the polygon, we're going to do exactly that. So in this case, we're going to find that our new position for G, again, is going to be the negative of y, so it's going to be negative 2, and then the same position for that it had for x in y. So the new position of H is going to be minus 5, 7, and our new position of J is going to be minus 2, 5. So that is pretty much what you have to do, guys. So you basically just take the value of y, and that is going to be your position of x, and you just have to change the sign, so the opposite of y. And then the same value of y you had, that is going to be your new position for y. Okay, guys, so make sure you double check the video, redo it on your own, and keep these formulas in mind. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!